Welcome to part 59 of Daily English. Today's situation: travel and entertainment, buying tickets. I'd like to buy a ticket. Example: I'd like to buy a ticket to the museum. How much is the ticket? Example: How much is the ticket for adults? One ticket, please. Example: One ticket, please. Thank you. Two tickets, please. Example: Two tickets for tonight, please. Are there any seats available? Example: Are there any seats available near the front? Can I pay by card? Example: Can I pay by card instead of cash? What time does it start? Example: What time does the show start? Where is my seat? Example: Excuse me. Where is my seat? Enjoy the show. Example: Thank you. Enjoy the show. Mini conversation. Customer: I'd like to buy 2 tickets for tonight, please. Clerk: Certainly. There are still seats available. Customer: Great. How much are the tickets? Clerk: They're $20 each. Here are your tickets. Customer: Thank you. I'm looking forward to the show. Daily tip: Whether you're buying tickets for a movie, concert, museum, or train, it's useful to ask about the price, available seats, and starting time. These expressions will help you buy tickets with confidence. Speaking challenge. Imagine you're buying tickets for a concert. Ask about the price, buy 2 tickets, ask where your seats are, and finish the conversation using at least 5 sentences. Subscribe for part 60. Continue learning English with AVETRA EDU.